We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes unclear names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. There are two different ways of saying this name, either as Ayla, Ayla. The other way is as Ayla, Ayla. And this is going to be on an individual basis, depending on how the person pronounces it herself, Ayla or Ayla. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting and unclear names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.